Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be showing you around the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque D200 R-Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Portofino blue. Starting our journey from the front of this wonderful Evoque, where we'll find the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. Cascading down the side, the further luxurious yet sporty dynamics continued as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with the gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you will also see the rear LED tail lights, as well as further perfectly black contrasting features. As we open, the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, whether it be a week's worth of luggage or a canine companion or even a set of golf clubs. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the comfort and quality of their ebony perforated Windsor leather seats, which alongside their Meridian surround sound system will ensure comfort and entertainment on any length of journey. Glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your park digital display, which can harbour key information such as your speed and your sat nav. Advancing over to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this large SUV is like second nature. Looking down now into your second screen, you'll also be able to access your climate control systems as well as heated seat systems, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. You'll also be able to access various driving modes and terrain response systems from within your entertainment screen. Lastly, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Rover Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today. Thank you for watching.